What's going on, y'all? This is your boy B Link. I'm over here trying to give you guys some tips. I'm coming in with an old school webcam on my computer, but I ain't even tripping. But here's some chances to make some money. Now, everybody's broke. I'm going to show you a couple of apps on your phone that you can use. Like if you just need like a quick $50, $30. First app we're going to talk about today is just, an amazing thing called Easy Shift. So let me see if I can go ahead and share my screen with you, you know. Okay. So we're gonna go to an app called Easy Shift. And it basically pays you to be a secret shopper. You go there, you sign up. What they'll do is they'll make you walk around and take photos of, like store displays just to make sure that the people that are working at the store, are putting things where they need to be. So I've done this a couple of times. You need a quick $15. They'll send you to Walmart to take a photo of all the Campbell soup cans to make sure that they're stocked. So if you're broke, just do what you got to do. Download this app. It's called Easy Shift. And go get you some money. You'll get $30 in about, I want to say, 30 minutes. So that's it. All right, you guys, it's been a pleasure. Signing off, this is Brian Lincoln the Hustler. Every day, I'm going to give you a new hustle to learn to make some money. Take care.